This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Leonard Martin. Location. Surrender yourself to the elegance of this remodeled single-level ranch-style home in beautiful Twain Harte. This well-designed home is located on a pleasant street where the only sound are of nature. Richly appointed with an open floor plan, vaulted ceiling, central heat, and a wood stove for chilly evening. Here is a real storybook home with all the elegant sense of warmth and charm you expect. The kitchen features beautiful solid slab countertop and tile floor with stainless steel appliances. This large 3-bedroom 2-bath home with a den and huge bonus rooms downstairs is literally choice real estate, with neighbors not facing you and one of the nicest views in the county from double rear decks. The beautiful meadow located adjacent to the home is absolutely gorgeous and full of nature. Kit Carson Drive is of the most desirable location, literally a couple minutes from downtown Twain Harte. This beautiful home has the advantages you want, from impressive design to fine interior features that enhance entertaining as well as everyday life. The home has many upgrades and is not dated. Also, this is choice location and therefore will not last. For more information, review the details below or contact Leonard Martin at 209-532-6993.